Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your family with State Farm, beginner guide step by step clearly. To protect your family with State Farm, start by assessing your family's unique needs. Consider the types of insurance that are most relevant to your situation. Homeowners insurance is essential for safeguarding your property and belongings. Evaluate your current home value and its contents to determine adequate coverage. Next, think about auto insurance if your family members drive. Check the coverage options available for different vehicles and driving habits. Life insurance is another critical component for protecting your family's financial future. Assess the amount of coverage needed based on your family's expenses and debts. Visit the State Farm website or contact an agent to explore your options. Set aside time for a comprehensive visit with an insurance agent. This step allows you to ask questions and clarify any uncertainties. Gather necessary documents such as financial statements and personal information beforehand. Complete a needs analysis with your agent to tailor insurance solutions to your family. Request quotes for the different types of coverage you are interested in. Compare these quotes to find the best fit for your budget and needs. Once you've selected your policies, review the terms closely. Understand your deductibles, coverage limits, and any exclusions. Finalize your policies by signing the necessary paperwork. Make your first premium payment to activate your coverage. Consider setting up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date. Schedule an annual review of your policies with your agent. This ensures your coverage adapts as your family's circumstances change. Stay informed about new options or changes in policy that may benefit your family. By following these steps, you can enhance the protection of your family with State Farm. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.